Hello everyone, I'm Bill, and today we will solve the fifth question of the Caribou Summer Coding Contest, Junior Contest. It is called Choosing High Schools. Statement: people have to make some educated decisions when choosing which high school to go to when transitioning out of elementary. Your concerns, however, are much less complicated. You're just looking for whatever's closest. You can model your city as a Cartesian grid with your house at the origin. 0, 0. Given n high schools at some other locations, which one is the closest? Input: the first line of input contains n. The next n lines contains a string s followed by two space-separated integers I, j, signifying a high school named S at the location ij. S will contain lower or uppercase letters only. Output the name of the school that is closest to 0, 0. Distance here is defined using the Euclidean norm. If multiple high schools share the shortest distance, output the one that occurs first in input. Now that we know the question, let's solve it in Python. So first, n is going to be the number of schools. And then we're going to use a variable called min_s, which is going to track the closest distance. And it's going to be -1 at first. Now we're going to use a loop. The loop is going to run n times. Next, name is going to become the name of the school, and A and B are going to be the x and y coordinates of the school respectively. And it's going to be input split by space. Next, S is int a squared plus int b squared. So the two multiplication sign means to the power of. And then we're going to use a conditional. If min s is -1, which means there hasn't been a number yet, or min s is larger than s, which means the smallest one so far is larger than this current one. That means the current one is going to be the new record. And then school, which is the current school name, is going to be replaced by name. And then at the end, we're going to print school. Now let's test it. And to give out an assumption, which is a correct option. This is all for today. See you next time.